Yo everyone, welcome back to my channel. This time I will make a glitter slime tutorial with you. So let's get started. This time is a clear glitter slime tutorial, so I'll use clear glue. This time I'm gonna use Chumby clear glue because it's very good. And then we have the glitter. I use this pretty color glitter. It looks very pretty. And then we have the food coloring. It's optional if you want to add or not. We have water. If need, you can add. And last, we have Activator. So let's do this. So let's add the glue first. And then let's add some water. And then let's add our activator. When you see slime start to not sticking in the bowl, you can try to take it out and knead with your hands. So this is the slime. You may ask, like, why it's not clear? It must not be clear because while you're making the slime, it has bubble, so it must not be clear after you make it. So if you want to make it into a clear slime, you must put it into a container with cover for 2 to 7 days until it is clear. Now I'm gonna put the slime to the container and then cover it and put somewhere for 2 to 7 days. Now I have already put the slime into the container for a few days. You see it's not really all bubbles have gone. It's still have a little bit, but it's so clear already, right? You can see the words under the clear gloss very clearly, right? And let's add the glitter and the food coloring right now. You can see it's super clear and super pretty after adding the glitter and the food coloring. So this is the end of my video this time. Remember to go to my YouTube channel, Slime ASMR, to like my videos and subscribe my channel. Thanks guys, bye.